Hello, I'm Towkir, a top rated plus video editor and digital marketer working on Upwork. My goal is to make your life easier by turning your raw contents into engaging contents and creating effective marketing plans to reach your audiences and customers. I'm very much passionate about both video editing and marketing. I have built my own video editing and marketing agency from scratch, so I know how to grow a business and how to make waves on social media. My work has been featured on Shark Tank and on many other platforms. As a creative passionate person, I always read books and study the latest video editing and marketing trends and style. With a postgraduate diploma in digital marketing, I have been professionally helping clients like you, businesses and content creators for the past 7 years. And most importantly, all of them are highly satisfied with my work, which you can see on my profile. I have worked with clients who got millions of audiences, and I also worked with clients who started from nothing. And I helped both to achieve their targets by creating standout video contents and applying my marketing expertise. I myself also a content creator and get millions of hits. I understand social media algorithm and how to optimize them for various niches depending on different platforms. I will edit videos and plan marketing based on your niche. Understanding your business and audience is highly crucial for editing your videos and designing marketing strategy. That's why I love discussing business problems so that I can use my skills and creativity to make your content unique and boost your brand on the social media. Feel free to contact me soon as my schedule fills up quickly. I prefer working with a few clients at a time to ensure the best result. Let me help you to make your videos amazing and your marketing strategies stand out to achieve your goals.